me 1 to 10.
Let me see what you look.
On a natural note, you give 7.5.
Let's have a 3.
No rudeness, just being average.
Let's have a 3.
Shut your lame ass up, nigga.
I put my dick and balls in your fucking
No,
wide
nigga.
ass mouth, bitch.
What's up, YouTube, bro? We finally back. Oh my lord, I'm sorry it's been so long, bro. It's been a month since I posted, bro. Some shit happened. Yeah, but I just want to say thank you for 475 subscribers, bro. We coming up, bro. We gonna be the next best monkey YouTuber. I'm telling you guys, vlogs and pranks and all that is coming soon. Just know that I'm not doing school vlogs no more. So if you looking for school vlogs, I'm not doing that no more. And yeah, I just want to say make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, bro, and let's get into this shit, bro. Dude, bet that shit up, yo.
But why can't I see nobody?
Why you can't see who?
I can't see nothing.
You can't see me?
Is it black? No, it just showed a purple monkey sign.
Damn.
Oh.
Ah, but you look good though.
Do you look good?
Yeah, I think I look good.
Star, do he look good? Cause I can't see. Yeah,
Man, you're just ruining it. Look at my lips. You're ruining it.
She finna cop block.
Alright,
I knew she finna cop block, bro. Like she.
Yeah, right. What's your IG?
It's calebeyyy.
Hold on. What is it?
calebeyyy.
Boy, you go slow.
Here's your question. Spell red.
Red? L-S-T-E-R.
Okay, Kaylee is crazy. Do you got dreads?
Yes.
Okay, follow me back. Don't try to put me on your YouTube video either. Don't bullshit. Don't try to put me on your YouTube. Huh?
Do I look good though?
Yeah, you look good.
Alright. Gun at the camera and shit.
Why are you so rude? Hi, fine young man.
Yo. You look fine.
Have I seen you before?
I don't know. But you look good too. Why you got your feet kicking up in the air though?
I don't know. Thank you.
But
What the fuck are you knocking over? It's my charger! You done ripped that bitch out the wall. With my coochie.
Is this nigga serious?
Oh, gotta go. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Please, I'm kidding. Oh shit. That fell. Oh my god. I can't even see. Okay, well, you need to be quiet before we get this fuck out.
my fingers slipped.
I'm fine, man. Hey.
Am I fine?
Let me look. How's your hair?
I got dreads.
They short?
No, they like right here.
That is short.
Man, shut your bitch ass up, nigga. Nobody asked you that a bitch ass thing. You better
No,
Not
okay.
short, man. I picked these bitches.
What's this
I
on
didn't
your
know
head?
monkey.
Oh, that's a mask?
Yeah.
And Glock we trust. I know that's right.
Stop focusing on me. Let's focus on you. How old you?
How old is you?
No.
You look about
First
13.
First of all, what's your ethnicity?
Huh?
What's your ethnicity?
I don't know.
How you don't know? So are you white?
I don't know. I don't know.
You're light skinned. I'm just gonna say you light skinned.
Yeah, yeah.
So I can get your issue.
Yeah.
Alright, bet.
Whether you like him and don't like him, there's nothing you could do about him because he's number one.
What?
What? I see you again. Oh, you.
What's up, big bag?
I don't find you funny.
You really
It's
had
okay, I'm big bag too.
You had said, "What's up, big
I'm
bag?"
crying.
Yeah, I remember you.
What the fuck?
It's been a minute.
It has been a minute. It's been a minute. I went through 2 heartbreaks.
Stop it. Get some help.
Damn.
I ain't gonna lie.
Man, you
But
gotta calm down.
fuck them. Stepping on their grave.
Huh? Huh?
I'm trying to. Let me see if I still follow you on Instagram. Let me see.
You won't follow me?
I'm trying to see if I still follow you on Instagram.
You making me a follower?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's me.
Yeah. It's a henna?
I drew.
Oh, you drew that? Oh, you.
I don't fucking know. I drew some random ass shit. I drew
You
butterfly,
talented.
a rose, and then the skeleton here.
You talented. Oh, you. Damn. I'm like. That shit gonna be funny as fuck.
You
bro.
look good.
Huh?
You look good.
Got him. We fucking got him.
He said he do too. How old are you?
Wait, look.
Damn!
Okay, make sure you add me.
Alright,
Yeah, just do. Alright.
Oh, you look good. I know I do, babe.
I'm tight, nigga. I stand on business first, bro.
I'ma get him money ass nigga. Ain't check that shit.
Nigga, you're a gay ass nigga.
Shut up, bitch.
Huh?
I said you're a gay ass nigga.
How the fuck I'm gay?
I don't know, I just thought you was gay.
What the fuck?
You like Prada a little bit.
Man, what the fuck is you talking about?
What the fuck was that?
I'm sorry, man. I wasn't thinking about it.
Brother, stop trying me, bro. What, bro?
Mr. Prada?
Why everybody keep trying me today, bro? First it's I look like a stud. Then it's like a gay nigga.
I see that too.
Then it's whatever you just said, Mr. Prada. Bro, like stop trying.
Yeah. I'm not trying, I'm being honest.
Nigga, shut the fuck up, boy. Shit from my word.
How old you is?
I'm grown, I'm 18.
Grown. You graduated?
Yep, I'm in college.
Okay. What you do? What you study?
Don't worry about it. You in high school. What you gonna do?
I graduated. What are you talking about?
You lying?
Yeah.
You is not fucking 17.
I'm above 17. What are you talking about?
How old is you?
I'm 18.
When was your birthday?
November 22nd.
Lying ass nigga.
November 22nd.
No, you giggled though.
What?
What year?
2005. I'm gonna be 19.
I don't believe you.
Wow.
I do not believe you.
Why? How? I don't believe that
You're
you.
not.
I don't believe you in college because you're black.
Right now.
I don't believe you're in college because you're black. How about that? You said what?
You know what? I'm not even. Show me your ID.
Me. But why would I show you my ID?
Cause I can't compliment you if you don't got your. If I don't believe
Oh, you about
that
to
you.
say I look good? Bro, it's okay. Just say I look good for real.
No, that's
Bro,
okay.
I'm 19. You got Instagram? I can take a picture of it and send it to you on Instagram.
A nigga like me ain't gonna lie, bro.
I'll do that.
A nigga like me ain't gonna lie.
I'll give you that.
You look like a nigga that gonna lie.
I'll give you that.
You look like a nigga.
Nah, I'm not finna show my ID. I'm not finna show my ID on here. I'm not show my ID. Alright, but I'm finna text you. Hold on, where's my phone at?
Yeah, you go ahead and text me.
You look good as hell though. Ain't gonna lie.
That's not the point. How old is you?
Oh, I'm 19. Well, finna be 19.
You don't catch yourself.
What?
You don't catch yourself.
I'm really am finna be 19 though. November 22nd coming up. I'm basically finna say I'm 19. Why my white keep coming like that? Bro, why is you...
So what year did you graduate high school? What year you graduate high school?
This year.
You're 19 in high school?
You know, it's crazy that I can never play Fortnite again or even create content for you guys.
I graduated high school this year. May.
Oh.
See, like. Oh, and I got my graduation thing.
Okay. It was hard to believe for a second. But yeah, you do look good though. You do look good.
Anyway, I'm gonna text you though. Look good too.
Yeah, say no more.
I bet.
Bitch! Huh. Huh.
Nice. Pose for me, yo.
Ass fat, slim, thick, no tongue.
Why folks looking at me like that?
This shit hard. Like, I don't know what the fuck you got going on, but that's hard.
Appreciate it, gay.
Let's put up on the side.
Yo. Damn, you look good. Like, you actually do look like a queen, though. I ain't gonna count to you.
What's that?
But you gonna pay attention?
My bad, she's giving me food.
Oh.
Big bag, big bag, big bag, big bag.
Anyway, how old you is?
I'm 16.
Sensational.
Okay, you do. But like I said, like, you look good and shit. You got Instagram?
Yeah.
I can get that shit.
You is not. Tell me if she's doing this right.
Give it to me! Give it to me! Give it to me! Give it!
But let me get
I'm gonna put it in the chat.
Alright, bet.
I'm gonna put it in the chat. Taste it, see if you want it.
Are you a girl or a boy?
Nigga, shut the fuck up, boy.
Drop the shit. I'm fucking crying.
I don't find you funny.
I'm gonna test you. You gonna test me back? Alright, you sure you gonna test me back?
Yes, Daddy.
Alright, bye. Yo.
I need my dick sucked!
Why you say it like that?
Because that's how you used to be.
Oh, for real. But you look good though. Like, fine shit, pretty face, adorable type of like. I love me some light skin shit. Wait, what's your name? Like, your name is long as fuck.
Oh, this.
I can't read cursive, bro. I can't read.
It's Joshua.
Okay. How old you is?
16.
I'm 16.
You 16?
Yeah.
Got him. We fucking got him.
But you look good though. You got your learning?
Thank you. Huh?
You got your learning yet?
The what?
Shut up, bitch.
No.
Oh, damn.
Cause my.
Huh?
Because of my birthday. I'm going too late.
Oh, okay. But I can get your Instagram though.
Huh?
I can get your Instagram.
Can I get your Instagram?
Shit. Yeah, you must think I'm not gonna follow you back or something.
I'll write it down. Because I'm here. I did it to you.
Boom. Alright, bet. I'm gonna follow you. I'm gonna text you. Alright, bet. Bye. Love you. Say it back. You
Okay.
say it back.
We just met.
There must have been an angel by my side.
Alright, bye.
Ew.
Where my ones at? Where my ones at?
Oh no. Got too many people watching me. Bye.